Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Gemini with Janitor AI. In order to do so, here we are at janitorai.com, but to find the answer we're looking for, let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension that allows you to ask questions of the top AI models available and find the answers you're looking for. According to Cider, first off, you're going to need to get access to the Google Gemini API. And before we continue, I would recommend taking a look at Cider to assist you through this process. I can show you here how this is going to work, but if you need some more direct assistance, then it's a good idea to check out Cider. So according to Cider, get access to the Google Gemini API. Google Gemini API access is typically via Google Cloud AI platform or dedicated API endpoint for Gemini models. You'll need a Google Cloud account with billing enabled, API credentials configured, and permission to use Gemini models. Refer to Google's official docs or Google Cloud Console to enable the Gemini API and generate credentials. You're going to want to set up your development environment. You're going to need to install Python 3.8, create and activate a virtual environment, install dependencies, and then authenticate with Google Cloud. Set up authentication using a service account JSON key downloaded from Google Cloud Console. Then use Janitor AI to clean the data. Here's a basic way Janitor AI can be used. You might again want to use Cider AI in order to copy and paste some of these instructions in for Python. We're not going to be able to have these here for you. You obviously can't just get them straight from here. So using something like Cider in order to get this information and then transfer it over to Python so that you go through this process is a good way of going about it. So use Google's Gemini API to process clean data. Google Gemini API is accessed generally by the Google Cloud AI Platform Python SDK. Here we have an example. Again, if you're using Cider, you can copy and paste this, and then you can find the full pipeline flow. Janitor AI cleans your input data. Cleaned input is sent to Gemini through Google's AI Platform client. You can receive predictions or outputs, use or store outputs as needed. So in summary, you're going to need to set up Google Cloud, enable Gemini API, authenticate properly with a service account, use Janitor AI library to clean incoming data, send clean data to Gemini via Google's AI Platform API, and get and handle Gemini's AI responses. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider to help you through the process, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're looking for an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you will get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a win-win situation. Simply Financial comes highly recommended.